Are you the type of person that will do extra things for your friends, family, or customers? Well, we have an idiom for that. That means that you go the extra mile. If you go the extra mile, it means that you are willing to do extra work or put in extra effort to help people. If you go the extra mile at your job, you might be willing to do the extra work to help relieve some of the work on your coworker's desk, or to help your boss out with new projects, or to help make sure your customers have a good experience. Are you someone that goes the extra mile? How so? Let me know in the comments below.